Hello student, today we are going to conduct a lecture on ultrasonic machining. My name is Professor Akshay Dekne from Mechanical Department of South Sundarbai Manik Adsu Polytechnic, SAS Ahmednagar. And today's topic is from the subject Advanced Manufacturing Process under the program Mechanical Engineering 5th Semester I-Skill. Now, first of all, what is meant by ultrasonic machining? Before jumping towards the ultrasonic, we should know the sonic waves. So, the sonic waves are the waves which are audible to human ear. The term ultrasonic refers to the waves of high frequency, generally above the hearing range of normal human ear, that is generally above the 20 kilohertz. That means the sonic waves are audible to human ear, and ultrasonic waves are nothing but the above 20 kilohertz. That means above the capacity of human ear of hearing. The hearing range of normal human ear, that is 20 kilohertz, and if the waves exceeds that frequency, then we can call them as ultrasonic waves. Now, the ultrasonic machining means it is the metal removal process with the help of ultrasonic waves. So, what is the working principle of using ultrasonic machining, or in short, we can say it as USM? In this process, a cutting tool is given a mechanical vibration so that it oscillates axially at high frequency in abrasive slurry against the stationary workpiece. And the tool has the same shape as the shape to be machined. What we are going to study is we are doing the metal cutting process with the help of ultrasonic waves. We have to produce the ultrasonic waves, and then with the help of these waves we have to oscillate the cutting tool by giving mechanical vibration at very high frequency so that it can bombard the abrasive slurry against the stationary workpiece and the metal will get removed. Let us see what is its setup, what is the machining setup, setup of ultrasonic machining. So in this setup, AC supply is given to the transducer, which is the electromechanical transducer. Velocity transformer is attached to the transducer. Tool is used to cut the material. Workpiece is stationary, and with the help of abrasive slurry, we are doing the machining. For pouring the abrasive slurry, abrasive gun is used, and this setup mostly consists of transducer tools, abrasive slurry, and tool feed mechanism. If we feed tool properly, then and only then we'll get the exact shape whatever we want after the machining. Now see elements of ultrasonic machining and their working. First element is transducer. It is made up of nickel or iron cobalt or iron aluminum. A generator converts available electrical energy of low frequency to high frequency and supply to the transducer, and then transducer do its work. Next element is tool. It consists of two parts, that is tool holder and tool tip. Both are having different functions because tool is one of the major element for performing the metal cutting process, metal removing process. Tool holder is connected to the transducer and it transmits the vibratory energy from transducer to the tool tip. Tool tip is attached at the end, so whatever the vibratory energy tool holder got from the transducer, it will transmit to the tool tip so that tool tip will do its function. What it causes? This causes linear oscillatory motion of tool when the workpiece comes in contact with the tool. When the vibratory motion of transducer is given to the tool tip by tool holder, then it oscillates very fastly and the tool tip comes in contact with the workpiece so that the metal removal process will be the in proper way, and the abrasive slurry is also performing function by cutting the material from workpiece. Now see what is function of abrasive slurry. First of all, let us see what is meant by abrasive slurry. The mixture of abrasive particles and water is used as abrasive slurry. This slurry is continuously fed at the tool workpiece contact. It means where tool and workpiece are nearer to each other, so in between that the slurry is poured with the help of slurry gun. And how the process will happen? When the supply is made on, the abrasive grains are hammered by the oscillatory tool onto the workpiece. Because of this impact of tool, this process is known as impact grinding also. Tool feed mechanism. As the tool machines the workpiece, the gap between the two increases. Thus, for machining action, the tool must be fed continuously into the workpiece. This is done by tool feed mechanism. The tool is pressed against the workpiece with the load of few kilograms and fed downwards continuously as cavity is cut in the workpiece. Whatever the shape we want, we have to make the tool in the same shape which we want from the workpiece. Is it? So this is the setup and working of ultrasonic machining. In this lecture, we studied what is meant by ultrasonic machining, the principle of working of ultrasonic machining, different components of the setup and their working and working of this whole process. So in this lecture, we have completed the topic ultrasonic machining.